Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to use the interactive PowerPoint. Now the name may sound a bit fancy, but it's not anything out of the norm that we have not been using. It's the same Microsoft PowerPoint that we're going to be using to create this interactive PowerPoint. Alright, I'm Taisha and I'm going to ask you to please follow intently as I show you how it is that you can make your PowerPoint interactive to enhance the teaching and learning environment. All right, so I'll be looking at matter, solid, liquid, and gas, and this is a PowerPoint that I would have already created before. All right, so let us move on to the contents page. Now, on the contents page, we have all the topics of the contents that are in this PowerPoint. So instead of having students or having the teachers going through the PowerPoint, we can create hyperlinks in the PowerPoint that can take individuals directly to the screen or to the slide that they want to go to. How is that we create these hyperlinks, right? Number one, you highlight the topic that you want to create the hyperlink for. Then you go to links, right? Place in this document because the hyperlink, you want the hyperlink to take it up, place in this document. And you're going to choose on the slide titles. So it is what is matter. And this, when I click on what is matter, this is what is going to come up. So I'm going to do it for all of the content titles here as to make it a bit easier for the transition. All right. Three states of matter, the same thing. Right. Done state of matter highlight. You're there. Changes in state. Right. Questions. There are also questions in this PowerPoint, and then we're moving on to the reference. Now I'm going to do a bit of preview. So we go down to the reference page. I'm going to do a bit of preview so that you can see how it works. But before I do the preview for all the others, I'm going to show you how it is that you can use it for questioning also in the interactive PowerPoint. All right. Going to preview. All right. So these are the content. What is matter? What are the states of matter? Three states of matter. Video on state of matter, changes in state, questions, and references. All right. So now I'm going to click on questions and it should take me to the questions page. So it has taken me to the questions page and there are two questions. All right. These questions are true and false. You can do multiple choice questions or true and false questions using the interactive PowerPoint to see if students are actually listening while the PowerPoint was going on. So the first question is, matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. True or false? If a student chooses true, then the student will be able to click on true and this will tell you if it is that the student is correct. All right. So we see that it says, congratulations, you are correct. Matter is indeed anything that has mass and takes up space. So it goes to show that we can use this in order to enhance learning. And we're going back to the question, what if a student chooses false? False, oops, that is incorrect. All right, so we can use this also to basically train students as it relates to how it is that they can navigate these platforms, or even while teaching you can use this to ask questions to see if students are following what it is that would have been taught. All right, so let us go back here to see if it works for all of them. All right, so we're going back to the contents page. And you can use this for any subject whatsoever. Math, English, social studies, the sciences, any subject at any grade level, you can use this so that your students can be engaged. All right. So now I'm going to move on to, I'm going to choose any one of them to see if it does work. All right. What are the states of matter? Click on it. It brings me to the page. What are the states of matter? All right. States of matter are the distinct. What are states of matter? Distinct physical forms that matter can take in the environment: solid, liquid, and gas. All right, so there you have it. This is how you can use the interactive PowerPoint in order to enhance teaching and learning environment.